Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about Maven, how to configure Maven to our Selenium project. So in order to know how to configure to your Selenium project, I'm going to show practical. So before go, knowing coming to this session, we have to make sure you should know all these three concepts, and you have to go through these three YouTube sessions, then learn this session. So let's start with Maven. So so whenever we want to use external files, then in such case we go for Maven. Maven is dependency injection tool or build tool. It has a tool called pom.xml, project object model. It has a huge repository on the cloud, which is called a Maven central repository. You just have to mention all the jobs in pom.xml. So at the time of running, we'll download all the related jars from the pom.xml. It will be done only once, not for all the times. So, so the weight of this project will be less, and it will create a folder in local as .m2. Under this, it creates a repository and copy all the jars, and it will automatically add to build path. It is also called as a build tool. It is a dependency injection tool. You have to install Maven plugin in Eclipse. So for that, let's go to here. So window, sorry, Eclipse Marketplace, Eclipse Marketplace. Wait a minute, Eclipse. And here you have to enter Maven. Maven. In find you have to enter Maven. And here you have to choose. So it's all the tools got displayed. You have to choose this Maven integration for Eclipse, Luna and newer 1.5. Click on install. In my case, it's already installed. You click it on and click on finish. So I'm clicking on cancel in my case. And later, so you have to create a new Maven project for this new Maven project. New Maven project. Click on create a simple project. Skip archetype selection checkbox. Click on this. Click on next. Create and give group ID. Group ID is something whatever you wish. Spom dot test dot selenium dot maven. You can give anything. And artigraph ID is something Maven project. And name is anything Maven. Description also anything you can give and click on finish. That's it. So Maven project got created. So so this src slash main.java is, and these are for developers who will develop the code, and this is for our purpose for testing the test cases. So as I said, you have to go for earlier sessions, and you have to know how we will be creating packages and project. So in my case, it's already done. So and if you see those sessions, you will get to know how to create all these packages and all. So you just so you have to copy these things. See com.selenium.base, com.selenium.common library, com.selenium.data provider, com.selenium.test data results. You have to copy all these and paste in src test java. So we have pasted here, and similar way copy log4j properties from src test resources and paste here. So here, so pasted, right? Okay, then Okay. Then you have to copy testng.xml from here and paste it on the main project. So next, what you have to do is pom.xml. So I will explain all these things one by one, step by step. I will explain all these things. So you have to copy all these dependencies. You will get all these dependencies from the net. So no need to worry. So click on pom.xml and again here pom.xml under description you have to paste this. So what is there I will explain. So dependencies. What are the dependencies to run our project? One is Selenium Java. We have to install this. So you have to copy this group ID artigraph version. You will get this from net. Similarly, testng is required. You have to copy from this net or you can write it from here. And similarly, you have to use log4j and you have to write all these things. And similarly, py.xml. For py.xml, you have to write all these things. See, group ID, artifact version, and there are three things we have to for py.xml. Similarly, py.excellent. So this also you have to do. This also you have to do, and these things. See, and you have to close the dependencies. Next is org.apache.maven.make maven should plugin. So this is for display the reports like what kind of reports it will trigger. Where 1 second. Yeah. So to display reports and all, you have to copy this. So it's done. Next one is go here. Some error is displaying base class.java base class.java and go here. We have to, if you want to know this, we have to go see earlier versions. Add testng library. So all the errors got gone. And let's see how we'll resolve this. And so now we have added this and src test java com and selenium. In base some errors are there. Let's see how we will resolve it. Before that you have to click on form maven test. How to run the test maven test. So we got some errors, right? uh, So you just have to means you just right click it, all the errors will go. Now what you have to do is you have to right click on pom.xml, run as maven test. See, it's running the test. Earlier it's small error, you can ignore that. See, it's executing maven test. Will execute. So the build got success and it executed successfully, and click on F5 or refresh it. Refresh the project. So we'll see surefire reports and pass.png. not this one. Email emailable report you can see like open with the browser. So what are all passed? 301 got passed. So everything it will display here. And apart from this, it will also display here like summary. Mm, this way, like will also you can also run this with testng.xml also run as testng. But first time you have to run with pom.xml because it has to download all the related jazz. And next time onwards you can run with testng.xml. So it's got passed. And so now if you see, if you go to project, right click on it, properties, see, uh, it's very less size. Go here, projects, you go here, properties, see, it's only 732 KB on this. If you earlier without using maven, it will be more because all the related jars we are including in the utility resources lib file. So in this case it's very less. That's advantage of this. And now we are going to see how do we run same maven project from command prompt. So in order to run this, you have to download a maven project. So maven you have to download and install it. So after downloading, in my case I have already downloaded and I will show. So you have to go here and you have to extract that zip file apache maven 3.3.9.bin. You have to extract in C program files and you have to go here and bin. You have to set this environment variable. You have to set this environment variable in path. So after setting this, you go to command prompt, control R, cmd, mvn hyphen version. It will display the maven version. Next, what you have to do is you have to go to the project location, maven project just now you have created. Control C. Till here you have to copy and go to command prompt, change the directory, paste, cd paste. So now you have to run test, mvn test. That's it. It will run. Whatever earlier in Eclipse it's executed, the same will be executing here. See, it will run running test to test. This is all about uh, maven project and how do we configure maven in our selenium project. So with this I'm closing this session now. So test runs 3, build success, everything got passed. So you can close this. So and one more thing I have to explain you is C, which I want to let you know is as in one. as in when it downloads related files from repository, central repository, using pum.xml, it will store in C users as in my case its system name is SR and M2 here repository, and it will save everything here. So this is, so with this I am ending the class. This is all about Maven.